Hey there, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through a really nice calf stretch today. It's really strong. It's great for Achilles issues or arch issues. You want to hold this stretch for a minimum of 2 minutes, so it's a really strong one. We want to push into about 7 to 8 out of 10 in intensity. So bring your foot back far enough that you get a good stretch out of the calf when you've got your heel on the floor. And I find it a bit stronger to do it from my elbows. You can do it from your hands, but I find if I'm into the wall a bit more, I can get a bit more pressure through that arch and through that Achilles. So you're pushing right down into that heel. You really want to make those muscles stretch. Feel the fascia stretch. Use that imagery that you're opening up through that area. You're lengthening between the heel to the knee. And make sure you maintain that stretch. You've got to maintain the pressure for the 2 minutes. Keep the back straight. Make sure your head and neck is relaxed because you're going to hold it for a while. After 2 minutes, come back up, do the other side, go do the initial side again, and then back to the second side. So you're doing 2 minutes, 2 sets each side.